Whether it's an unexpected inheritance, a lottery win, or a surprise bonus, a large influx of money is exciting. But with that joy can come a wave of emotions. For some, deciding what to do with that money can feel overwhelming. Here are some considerations for handling a sudden financial windfall. First, don't make any rash decisions. Give yourself time to process and decide what you really want from this money. Next, assemble your professional team. Financial advisors, accountants, and even attorneys can offer invaluable guidance tailored to your solution. Consider using a portion of your windfall to clear out outstanding debts, starting with high interest rate ones. Think long term, whether it's retirement, a children's graduation, or other future goals. Allocate funds strategically. Treat yourself responsibly. Set aside a portion for experiences or purchases you've always dreamed of. Consider giving back, whether supporting a cause you believe in or helping those in need. A portion of your windfall can make a difference. A financial windfall is a rare gift. With thoughtful planning and a clear vision, you can ensure it benefits you, your loved ones, and even your community for years to come. If you are nearing retirement or newly retired, I encourage you to download our free retirement toolkit, which includes my book and several useful guides that cover the most important financial considerations for retirement. To access the free toolkit, just click on the link in the description. If you have questions about your retirement strategy, give us a call at 602-343-9301 or schedule a meeting with one of our advisors by visiting strategyfinancialgroup.com and clicking on the orange Schedule Meeting button. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe to our page for more content like this.